नमस्कार. तुम्हा सर्वांना होळीच्या आणि गौरपौर्णिमेच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. So as we are discussing since 2 days about the READ acronym, read me, that is by this time you must be knowing reading, educating yourself, association, diet, meditation and exercise. We will elaborate it and we will discuss step by step about each letter. That is the first letter is reading. So today we will discuss about reading. It when should be done and what books should be read and how to get time for that. So when should be the first question answer to your first question is when it should be read is in the morning, because morning is the time when you are very absorptive and very settled with your past thoughts because of the good sleep. So morning is the time when you start reading self-help books, entertainment books, horror books, romantic books. A big no for that, because if you read it in the morning, the whole day you will be thinking of the same things and you will get repercussions of that, because whatever you read in the morning, it stays in your mind for long time. So try to get self-help books, and I personally suggest to buy these actual books, not virtual reads, because the feel of these books, when you take in the hand and you become conscious about this. Taking mobile is we use mobile for many things and like we use it all the time, but when you take book in your hand you will feel it, that there is a difference, a big difference. Taking it in your hand, then noting their points is different thing, and it will definitely help your brain to register what you are reading. In mobile you are reading news, many other things you are doing on that, shopping and all, so that may not be registered too quickly as you read these books. So in self-help books I would like to suggest to read is Flowers on the Path by Sadhguru. I really like this book, and the benefit of this book is there are chapters of just single or 2 pages. So whenever you are in a hurry and you want to get your reading stuff done, you can do it, because it's just two pages and it will be finished by 5 minutes max. Now the question is where is the time for mothers doing all this and how to read. So the best thing I used to do is when my daughter Vrinda used to ask for milk, or those who are breastfeeding, they can get these books and read at that time, because it will be very good, because you are breastfeeding, so you are what you are thinking, it affects your children. So when you are reading this, and keep your books aside, your books aside by your bed, or wherever you breastfeed or you feed your babies, because at that time you can use that crucial period. Generally when we breastfeed or generally, so here is she wake up just now. So whenever you are breastfeeding, it will be the time when you can read, and it will be helpful because you are thinking of the same good stuff, and you will be transmitting the same vibration to your babies. Say hi. Say hi. Good morning. So for today, you should read self-help books at least 5 to 10 minutes. Get points of it. Get noted points of that self-help books. And for children also, like for parenthood also, there are many books. Like this is the book How to Talk, so kids will listen, and listen so kids will talk. So as you can see, my struggle period is started. So we will discuss the remaining tomorrow. That is educating yourself. Some part of reading is also remaining. I will describe it whenever the point will come. So thank you for watching.